Metabolism is the body's internal engine, responsible for converting the food we eat into energy. While genetics play a role, you can still give your metabolism a significant boost through your diet. The key is to incorporate foods that rev up your metabolic rate naturally. Here, we'll explore 7 unique foods that can supercharge your metabolism, helping you achieve your health and fitness goals. 1. Chili peppers. Spice up your meals with chili peppers, which contain a compound called capsaicin. Capsaicin has been shown to increase thermogenesis, the process by which your body burns calories to produce heat. This boost in calorie burn can help raise your metabolism for a few hours after eating spicy foods. Add some heat to your dishes with cayenne pepper, jalapenos, or sriracha sauce to reap the benefits. 2. Green tea. Green tea is not only a soothing beverage but also a metabolism-boosting superstar. It contains catechins, a type of antioxidant that enhances fat oxidation. Research has shown that regularly consuming green tea can lead to a modest increase in metabolism. Plus, its caffeine content provides a temporary energy boost without the jitters associated with other caffeinated beverages. 3. Berries. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants and fiber. Fiber aids digestion and keeps you feeling full longer, while antioxidants combat oxidative stress, which can slow down metabolism. The combination of fiber and antioxidants makes berries a delicious and metabolism-friendly addition to your diet. 4. Lean protein. Protein is an essential component of a metabolism-boosting diet. It requires more energy to digest than fats or carbohydrates, which means your body burns more calories during the digestion process. Lean protein sources like chicken, turkey, fish, tofu, and legumes are excellent choices to keep your metabolism humming. 5. Whole grains. Complex carbohydrates like whole grains, oats, and brown rice are packed with fiber and take longer to digest than refined grains. This extended digestion process keeps your metabolism engaged and prevents blood sugar spikes and crashes. As a result, you maintain a steady supply of energy throughout the day. 6. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a protein powerhouse and also contains probiotics. Probiotics can help maintain a healthy gut microbiome, which has been linked to metabolic health. The combination of protein and probiotics in Greek yogurt can give your metabolism a gentle nudge in the right direction. 7. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats have been shown to reduce inflammation and enhance insulin sensitivity, both of which can positively impact metabolism. Additionally, omega-3s may help regulate hormones related to appetite and fat storage. Your metabolism is a dynamic system influenced by various factors, including diet. Incorporating these 7 metabolism-boosting foods into your meals can help you achieve your health and fitness goals more effectively. Remember that while these foods can give your metabolism a boost, they should be part of a balanced diet and an overall healthy lifestyle. Pair them with regular physical activity and adequate sleep for the best results. By making these delicious and nutritious choices, you can fire up your internal engine and embark on a journey to a healthier, more energetic you.